Welcome back to Panical. Installing the trunk LR side bracket. Open the box. Remove the 6 screws, pointed by the arrows.
This one and this one. This one, this one, this one, this one. 6.
Be careful not to take the pad off forcefully because there is a plug connected to the back. Pinch the plug with your fingers and pull it back to remove it.
This right side.
The short screw and bushing are installed at the front. The long screw and bushing are installed at the back. Install the plug first. Align the pad to its original position and install it. Put the removed screws back in place.